Hello guys, welcome to this Peep Show. We are Tuesday the 7th of April 2020. Sylvain Loganadin with you today for a new Peep Show. Today we are going to discuss the oil market and what is going likely to happen on the oil market. If you looked at the press recently, the OPEC just said that they will maybe reduce the production of oil if the United States joins. So basically, Saudi Arabia and Russia have been talking about a possible oil cut within the next week. And Thursday, there is a talk being scheduled between the OPEC plus countries. So basically, the major OPEC countries plus also Russia. Russia is not officially one of the country member of the OPEC. And also, Saudi Arabia and Russia just said that they will decrease their oil production if and only if the United States of America just join this deal. So we have an OPEC Plus meeting Thursday. Friday we have a meeting of the G20. So basically the European countries that will see if also they are willing to reduce their oil production, and these kind of events can basically push the oil prices higher, and this is what we are seeing right now on the market and what is being priced by the market right now. If you look at the US Dow Jones, yesterday was the first trading session of the week, and the Dow Jones just made and won more than 1,000 points. Today, this is pretty much the same. We are winning 3 on the futures, on the Dow Jones futures contract. We are winning almost 4%. Okay, so which is being translated into 855 points for the Dow Jones. So this is pretty huge, and this is a very nice, I'll say, performance. But what we have to take into consideration is that the first level of resistance is being found here at 24,000 points. So we are currently at 23,400 points, and at 24,000 points we have a huge resistance level. So just here, this is also a technical target. So we were trading within a range during the last few weeks. Okay, so this trading range, and if we break we broke this resistance level, and we have here a target level set at 24,000 points. Okay, so this will be the next, I would say, level where market participants will definitely take their profits and will take some profits on their long position. So basically, they bought stocks during the last few weeks, and this is the first level of profit taking. What we have also to take into consideration is that the oil market will move Thursday and Friday. If you look also at the current prices of oil, we are at $26 per barrel. We made the lowest point at $20 per barrel, and we can maybe move forward to the $40 per barrel if any deal is found. And if you look also at the coronavirus statistics, if you look, for example, at the number of people who are dying from the coronavirus, we are still under the 80,000 mark. Okay, and also in a lot of countries, for example, such as Italy, you see that the rate of I would say the rate of people dying from the coronavirus is slowly decreasing. Okay, we were very high, and we are stabilizing basically slowly. So some people and some specialists just say that we are reaching a peak in Europe for the coronavirus crisis. This is not the case in the US. If you look at the US market and at the US situation, in the US we are still right above. So this is basically a Bollinger Band. So this is the highest level you can reach, and when the courses or the chart is way above the highest line, it basically means that the market, and also what we are currently just looking at, is overpriced. So we are above the highest moving average. Okay, so the highest average point is this one, is represented by this line. The standard, I will say, average point is basically materialized by this line, and the lowest average point is materialized by this line. We are above the highest average. So this means that we are still in an accelerating mode, and that the coronavirus is not going to end anytime soon in the US. It will take at least 1, 2, 3 weeks. Okay. If you look at what is happening in Spain, we are slowly going under the highest average point, and in France it's almost the same. We have a little acceleration here, but if you compare to what happened, for example, with Italy a few days ago, we were also like this, but slowly it's decreasing. So this is something that we are going to see on the European countries. So the question is, with the coronavirus crisis coming to the end, what is happening right now on the financial markets? So if you look at the VIX now, and if you look at let's put candles here. If you look at the price of the volatility on the option of the S&P 500, you are looking at a chart that will probably look like this. We were at a level of 85 during the last few weeks. So mid-March we were at the highest level we've ever seen on the VIX. Even during the 2008 financial crisis, we didn't add so much volatility, and now we are currently stabilizing ourselves. So we just went under the 50 point mark, okay, here on the VIX. This is a great sign of stocks slowly but surely taking and gaining bullish momentum again. Okay, gaining bullish momentum again, and this is in total correlation with what we are seeing here. Okay, so now I'm expecting something like this around the 24,000 points mark. Okay, I'm expecting some range like this, and then we'll see what will happen if the market takes some some profit here to go higher or to go lower. It will all depend on what is happening on Thursday. Okay, if on Thursday there is no deal found between Saudi Arabia, Russia, and the United States, they will not even take into consideration what will happen on Friday with the G20, and the market will definitely lose more points. But if a deal is found, and if the coronavirus crisis is definitely coming to an end in Europe, we will have, I would say, higher prices in the oil market, and that will translate itself into a higher level in the US stock market. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the Wheel of Arya Facebook group. As you can see here, we have a post from Guillaume who just, for example, shared his latest trade, okay, where he made some profit on the DAX 30 because he bought the DAX 30 thanks to the Arya signals application. The trade was sent by Rodolphe Stéphan, and this is something that you can see here. You can have up to 10 signals for free every month via basically downloading the Arya signals application. So that is totally free. You can have access to the same type of I'll say signals for free. Okay, 10 per month. And if you want to join the community, so the Wheel of Arya Facebook group, you can definitely subscribe to the Arya starter pack. So that is totally free. You can find this link, so the Arya starter pack link, directly on the description on YouTube, and on the first comment I will pin it, so you can find it very easily. You just have to type your name and surname plus your email. You click on start your free trial, and you will have access to every of these. So basically 33 e-learning classes for all levels, the Wheel of Arya community, the weekly trader Zoom, and also the monthly master classes. Okay, so you can find everything here. We have prepared it for you, so you can discover our ecosystem and also what we are offering in terms of algorithmic trading, but also what we are offering in terms of content, okay, that you can use to take your trading to the next level. We see each other tomorrow for a new Peep Show. Have a nice day, guys, and see you.